Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn. Today I'll show you a tiny hack that will make your 4K video editing much easier and faster in DaVinci Resolve. So let me show you my settings for DaVinci Resolve export. So if you click on the lower right corner, and then you can see that the timeline resolution is 4K. So this is like a 4K clip, and everything is going to be 4K. Now let me just close here. So cancel. Now if we put a 4K clip in the timeline, so let me just play this one. So you can see that I have a 4K clip which I'm going to be working on. Now this is a tiny clip, so what I'm going to show you, it may not affect that much if the clip is tiny, but still you can see that this is lagging, kind of like getting stuck because this is a 4K clip. So the easy way you can handle this, you have to convert your setting to 1080, and then once you export, you have to switch back to 4K. So now what you can do, let's go to the settings again, and then instead of keeping this 10K, we're just going to change it to 1080 and then save. And now the whole clip is, although it's 4K, but DaVinci Resolve thinks that this is a 1080 clip, and this is going to put take a lot less resource on your computer and put less strain on your computer. Now let's play this, and you can see that it's playing much smoother than before. And then if you have long clips or larger clips, then this makes even more sense, because this is going to get very easier to edit. So what happens once you finish editing and everything, then you have to go back to the settings again, then you have to switch back to 10K, which is going to be right here, then save. And then when it comes to rendering, if you just go to the render screen, then you have to just make sure that you have the resolution 4K, and then you have to just do render as you normally do, and then this is going to be your process, and it will still give you 4K output. So you only edited the editing portion or part in DaVinci Resolve was not really 1080, but you made DaVinci think that you're dealing with 1080 clips, and that makes much faster and easier to edit.